Is your iPhone calendar not syncing with Outlook? In this video, we'll explain why it happens and show you how to fix it. Part 1. Why is iPhone calendar not syncing with Outlook? Account setup. Sync not enabled. Internet issues. Updates may fail. Outdated apps cause sync bugs. Calendar conflicts. Events may not appear. Server issues. Delay syncing. Part 2. How to fix iPhone calendar not syncing with Outlook. 1. Check your internet connection. 2. Enable calendar sync for Outlook account. 3. Restart your iPhone and Outlook app. 4. Set Outlook as default calendar. 5. Update iOS and Outlook app. 6. Remove and re-add Outlook account. 7. Check Outlook sync settings. 8. Disable and re-enable calendar sync. 9. Reset network settings. Part 3. An easy way to manage and transfer iPhone calendar. When Outlook sync keeps failing, Mobikin Assistant for iOS offers an easier way to manage, backup, and transfer iPhone calendar data without relying on Cloud Sync. Step 1. Start by launching Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your computer. Connect your iPhone using a USB cable, and wait until the software automatically detects your device. Once recognized, you will see your device information displayed on the screen. Step 2. From the main interface, click on the Calendar category. The tool will load and display all calendar events stored on your iPhone. You can preview details such as event titles, dates, and notes before taking any action. Step 3. After previewing your calendar items, you can choose what you want to do. Export calendar events to your computer for backup or offline access. Import calendar data from your computer back to your iPhone. Delete unwanted or duplicate events directly to keep your calendar organized.